Hello everyone, welcome to Children Paradise. Today's video I want to share with you our favorite Usborne books. For those who don't know, Usborne Books and More are book publishers. We love their books. This is not at all a sponsored video. It's just an honest review because we just love Usborne books. So let's hop on quickly and see our favorite Usborne. So this one is question and answers about food. Lift the flap ones. These are the flap book, and we love this book. It's very nicely shown all about food. All the illustrations and the pictures are really very good and motivates kids to learn more about everything. So we have this of food which Ria and Mian both are foodie and they both enjoy eating and cooking different kinds of food. So this answers all the questions in kids' mind, and also as adult we get to know many things about how food is and
This
why
is
it
the
is
Human
useful.
Body Shine a Light series. We love these books. They are so great and such a good way of teaching kids not only reading but it also helps kids to understand things in detail. Like, for example, this page, it shows about the body, about how baby comes out of mom's body, and when you shine a light here it shows you the baby, and otherwise you cannot see it. So that's such a wonderful way of book reading. Or not. Now, this one is The Secrets of the Vegetable Garden. It comes in the Shine a Light series, and I love the way this book is. If you see, kids not only get to read it, but also they can learn minor details about how the things are grown here. Like, you see, plant needs water and soil and seed to grow, and everything is being seen whenever you shine a light behind the page. And that's the left side is the page where you see the thing in the light, another light. So we love this book, and it's really great and very much interesting for kids, and a very great way of keeping them away from screen time during lunch or dinner. Let me quickly show you just few pages of this book, how they are. This one is about 100 things to know about food. Ria and Vihan both are food lovers and they love this book. It's a great book which gives us the explanation about a few scientific facts related to food, and it's very interesting not only for kids but also for adults. few facts which we really loved about these books were how beans really make you gassy and cornflakes are magnetic, so on. Now, this one is 100 Things to Know About Science. It is similar to the food one, but this is about science. It's very nice as well, and very colorful and very interactive for kids. So we love both of these books. Also, if you want and are interested in looking at more Usborne books, do mention down in the comment section below. We would be definitely coming up with one more video of Usborne books. As you all know, we are books lovers and we love reading. We'll see you soon again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you like the video. Bye.